Yo YouTube, really excited to be bringing you this tutorial today. I'm going to be showing you how to get F125 for free. So this is the brand new release, guys. At the time we're recording this, you can see it is available for pre-order coming May 30, but this is going to get you the full game in pre-order. You can play the game early as well as actually get the full game when it is released, and this is going to save you a bunch of money, guys. You can see F125 costs about $60 and this is available on all platforms: PlayStation, PC, Steam, Xbox. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial, and this is going to get you F125 for free. So use your mobile phone. So you just need an internet connection and go to www.robotcoupons.com. So head on over to Robot Coupons. And this is an awesome codes website that I discovered. They have tons of different games. As you can see, I'm just scrolling down. So go to the search bar, search for F125 F125 free game code, and you can select Xbox, PlayStation, PC or Steam. Now these coupons are limited, so these game codes are limited, guys. As I showed you, the game costs about $60. So this limits one code per person. So you need to unlock your exclusive game code. Now this is going to count to 100. I've already done this, so I don't want to waste another code for this video, so I'm going to cancel that. But you're going to see a new page and it will tell you how to unlock your F125 game code. It takes about 5 minutes. I personally had to complete a couple of free tasks. I had to play a mobile game and then I'd completed a free survey. It's super easy and the instructions are pretty easy once you see that page. And once you do everything, it'll redirect you back to Robot Coupons. It's verified you're a human, so your code will be unlocked and you can redeem it, in this case, in the PlayStation Store, and that is going to get you F124 for free. So really easy, guys. It takes about 5 minutes, and it is a $60 game, so you are saving a bunch of money for very little time. So go to Robot Coupons and search for the F125 game code page. And then just follow through the instructions and let me know in the comments what you think of the game. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.